There, my Scooter. He trying to play a little bit this season. Look at him. Look at him play. There he goes running. There he goes. Come here, Scooter. Come here. Look at him, boy. That is a prize dog right there. Good boy. He's a good boy. He can't get that possum out of his mind. There had some corn laying over I threw out for to throw out from the freezer, and he possum or coon or something. A raccoon, possum, something got into that bag and tore a hole in it, got the corn out of it, went to eating on it. Scooter smelt it. And he knowed immediately what that was. He seen him a possum out here one night. It scared him to death. Come on. Come on. That's a good boy to get done. Oh, he come to me. Yes, sir. He come to me. He just come. Oh, he's so happy. He's so happy. Look at him running. Look at him play. Look at him go. Yes, sir. Uh-oh. He heard something. Something over on the highway. Look at him. Look at him go. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. I can't keep the camera on him. He's going so fast. Look at him here. He's like a bolt of lightning. There he goes around and around. I can't keep up with him. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Get it, Scooter. Get it, Scooter. Get it, Scooter. Get it. He's making me drunk. He's going round so fast. Look at him. He's just playing, having himself a good old time at sea. Get it, Scooter. Get it, Scooter. There you go. He's taking off again. I wish y'all could see him up close. He is showing out today. Feels good. Oh. You gotta stop, check out something. Get it, Scooter. Get it. Get it. Run. Run. What is it? Come on. Run. 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 Well, I think his battery's about down. I'm waiting on them last two chickens. I call them my diehard chickens because they wait till the last minute to get in there. I guess I got them spoiled because they know I'm going to shut them up immediately when they go in there. But I stand around here and wait on them every evening. It's pretty cool out here today, this evening. Everything trying to green up. I don't know. We've had a few frosts. Well, there's a redbird on the feeder. Wow. Well, you see? That's a female. All kind of birds coming on there. Wow. You know, old birds don't worry about nothing. They know God's going to furnish some food for them somewhere. Like God told me. Well, God told the wife, and the wife told me. I should clarify that. So some feed in that feeder. That's what I did just the other day, but that wind must have blew it out. So I got them all three. Well, I got 3 of them filled up. See how that one get around on the other side? He know I'm watching him. He's smarter than we give him credit for, don't he? Oh. I don't know what that is. That one with a crest on his head. His hair sticking straight up on his head. See? I wish I had a better view. I don't know why this thing won't focus. Well, that's a little brighter, huh? Every now and again it's bright. I mean, vivid. There's one on the ground. A red bird. Huh. All right. Uh-oh, chicken's gone to sleep. Gone to sleep. Gone on the roost. I'm wondering about my sprinkler out yonder. I don't know if I ought to bring it in tonight or not. It's don't have no water in it. See, it's gonna get down to 30. It's pretty cool out here now, but it's still, the wind's not blowing. That's not that bad. All right, go out here and shut these up. Scooter's battery's about low down. He don't feel like running playing no more, so we're gonna go in the house and get us a bath and got some wife making a pan of cornbread to go with them dumplings that my daughter was so graciously yesterday made. I can hardly wait on them again. They were good yesterday, and I'm mad they're gonna be better than that today. Cause them, once they've been sitting up like that, they get good. They get good. Yeah, that's my patch over my door I got to fix one of these days. It won't. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm gonna quit rambling. I'm gonna shut this down and I'm going in the house. Y'all have a blessed day. If you don't hit that, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Hit that like button if you will. And we'll see y'all later. Have a blessed day.